This video reviews the StairMaster 10G Gauntlet assembly procedure. Required tools. Step 1. Carefully cut and remove any plastic wrap and cardboard around the unit. Step 2. Cut any straps holding the unit to the pallet. Use a mallet and a crowbar to carefully remove the small blocks of wood keeping the unit on the pallet. Note: do not remove the blocks of wood in front of the wheels. Step 3. With help of another person, carefully lower the front end of the 10G off the pallet. Step 4. Remove the mobility wheel locking pin. Use a ratchet with a 19mm or 3/4 inch socket and turn the wrench counterclockwise to deploy the wheel. Once the wheel has been deployed, insert the pin into the second lower hole on the frame. Caution: the mobility wheel should only be used when moving the unit over short distances. Do not step on the machine with the wheel engaged. The unit can tip to its right when the wheel is deployed. Step 5. Once the equipment is in its final resting place, use a ratchet and a 19mm or 3/4 inch socket to retract the wheel back into the frame. Reinstall the safety pin into the wheel up position, the first small hole. Step 6. Use a 9/16 open-ended wrench to level the left and right leveling feet. Once the machine is level, use a 19mm or 3/4 inch open-ended wrench to tighten the nut against the frame. Step 7. Attach the display rear cover to the console mount, ensuring the grommet is seated. Then fasten using the screws contained in the console box. Step 8. Connect the wires coming out of the neck into the display as shown. Note: please reference the console wiring guide, document number 6208387, contained in the console box. Step 9. Connect the wires to the strain relief loom as shown. Step 10. Connect the ground wires to the grounding tabs as shown. Close the display, ensuring there are no pinched cables before connecting the console front to the back. Step 11. Secure the front half of the console assembly to the back using the screws supplied with the console, taking care not to pinch any wires. Ensure the rubber console grommet has a good seal. Step 12. Attach the power supply cable to the power retention holder and affix it to the machine. Step 13. Plug the equipment in, enter maintenance mode, and ensure the equipment machine type is set to Gauntlet. Additional resources: